10, 1, 10, and then 3, okay. Now, let's see. Okay, finally, it tastes better. That's I got two of this. This is a half tablespoon. This is a half tablespoon. So 2 of them is the 1 tablespoon, and 10 of this is 4.5 tablespoon of cream. Okay, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, and 4.5 tablespoon of cream, and 1.5 of sugar. Just taste. I think it's okay, but I cannot figure out what should I add more to get better. I think that's okay. For those who want less sugar, so use on 1 tablespoon. So here is another type of coffee for you. There's great for cold season. It's right now we got, and I will try get another product, another thing, and I should show you how for the coffee drink. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. Probably some of you might be questioning about this cup. This cup is supposed to have a carbon here. And when I brought home, I drank a couple times. I'm washed, and I drop the top to the floor as a broken. It's back in 2008. And then later on, years like 8 months later, I figured out that's around that time. It's my grandfather. He passed away in Vietnam, and I didn't know. They did. The relative, my aunt, didn't let us know. He suddenly passed away. He passed away in his sleep. He's 96 years old, and he's healthy. People that tell us is he still hand around to carry the the wood, the long one, a tree he cut down, and he carried from place to place at the age of 96, 95, 90s, in 90s. So okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.